1966 AMC Rebel base V8. American Motors Corporation designed the Rebel as its contender against mainstream intermediates like the Chevrolet Chevelle, but it was an exercise in automotive mediocrity. The optional 4.7-liter 287 cubic inch V8 produced only 200 HP, which was simply not competitive with its rivals from the Big Three. The standard engine was an even less inspiring 232-inch six-cylinder with just 155 HP. Compounding its performance deficit was a design that was described as relatively dull, lacking any of the visual aggression or flair needed to stand out in the crowded marketplace. As a product of a defunct manufacturer, the Rebel suffers from the orphan brand curse. While some specialist suppliers exist, finding specific trim and mechanical parts can be a significant challenge, and the cost of restoring an unpopular model will almost certainly exceed its market value. Hagerty valuation data for the Rebel is sparse, a reflection of its obscurity. But related models like the 1966 Marlin, which shared the same platform and engines, are valued at only $14,233 in number 3 condition. This indicates a very soft and uninterested market. The Rebel is a forgettable car that is neither powerful nor attractive, promising a restoration project filled with frustration and zero financial or performance payoff.